In this video, we are going to see how we can use BitQuery API to get bonding curve progress percentage of a specific pump fund token. So let's go to docs.bitquery.io and then navigate to V2Docs and then go to L1 chains. Under L1 chains, go to Solana and then pump fund, and then we'll see the page pump fund market cap and bonding curve API. And here you will see on the sidebar bonding curve progress API. I will add this API link in the description. You guys can test it out on ide.bitquery.io. By just signing up on ID, you will get free 10,000 point for testing purposes for the first month. Now let's talk more about this bonding curve progress API. Here is a little bit of introduction about the different terms which are involved, but a simplified formula will be here. Bonding curve progress is equal to 100 minus balance minus 206 million into 100 divided by 793 million value. Bonding curve progress is just the amount of tokens which are sold from the curve. This 206 million value is the reserve tokens, and this is the initial real reserves. We get this value by subtracting 206 million from 1 billion, because 1 billion is the total supply of a particular pump fund token. 206 million is the amount of reserve tokens which are reserved to seed a new liquidity pool when the token graduates. So now we can easily use this formula directly in our API. I'll show you over the IDE. Just click on this query link button and it will take you to the IDE and open the same query in the IDE. Here we are using the DEX Pools API because we need the latest liquidity change for the particular pool for a particular currency. So we are putting here two conditions in the where clause. You can otherwise, one is what is the base currency mint address for which we need to calculate the bonding curve progress percentage, and the second one is where the pool is, basically the DEX on which it is. And we are selecting here pump fund DEX because we are calculating for a pump fund token. In here, we are selecting few generic details or fields: market address, base currency details, code currency details, DEX details, and basically
here,
base post
base
amount and code post amount. So the base post amount is basically the balance of the base token at this particular market address. Now you can just give this alias name and you can use a calculate keyword and introduce a expression in the brackets. And the expression will be put inside the noted commas, and you can use that same formula here. 100 minus pool base balance. You
you
have to
have to
use
use
the
the
dollar
dollar
sign
sign
before
before
the
the
fields if you want to use the query field itself. Then minus 206 million into 100 divided by 793 million. Now let's test out this query by just clicking on this run query button. So here the bonding curve progress percentage we have got 92.6%, and I can show you the same token on the pump fund portal. You can see here 92.64% for this DeFi Neon DeFi pump token. Here also Neon DeFi pump token. So we are actually getting the correct bonding curve progress percentage. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.